Hey everyone, it's Ashley here. Welcome back. I'm very excited about this video because I'm gonna kick back and relax. As you can see here, I'm about to pamper myself. It's been a long week. The seasons are changing, so my skin needs to reset, recharge, and I just want to relax. So I'm gonna do that by pampering the skin with Artistry Signature Select masks. These are so great. I'm so happy I got my hands on them, and I'm like, I need to share this because my skin always feels really good after using these masks. So what's great about the Signature Select mask from Artistry is that you can use it by itself. The other day I used their polishing mask and that just made my skin feel so smooth. Or you can multi-mask, which I'm going to do today. I'm a huge fan of multi-masking because I deal with combination skin. So here is oily, this area is dry, I deal with dark spots. So today I'm going to show you what I do to battle each area of my skin. So these masks give me all different options. There's 5 different masks in this collection. We have the Purifying mask, the Hydrating mask, the Firming mask, the Brightening mask, and the Polishing mask. Today I'm noticing my skin is super oily here, and I just need some hydration here, and my under eyes, I just want to brighten that up. It's been a long week. All right, so I'm gonna go grab the masks, and I'll be back to show you how I multi-mask. All right, so the first mask that I'm gonna use it in my chin area and then my T-zone is the Artistry Signature Select Purifying Mask. This is gonna give my skin a deep clean. It's gonna help get rid of all that gross stuff in my pores here because I just deal with like blackheads in this area. It's also gonna help reduce shine and that oiliness that I deal with, especially in my forehead and in my nose area. For my under eye area here, I'm gonna use the Artistry Signature Select Brightening Mask. This is just gonna give me some glow and really wake up my skin here. Last but not least is the Artistry Signature Select Hydrating Mask. It says it in the name. This is just going to hydrate my skin here. What I like about this mask when I use it multi-masking or by itself is that your skin just feels hydrated, not just for that day, but you can just tell the difference throughout the next few days after using this mask. So this area just gets really, really dry, so I'm gonna apply that right here. All right, so as you can see, this is me multi-masking. So when you do this mask, you don't want to mix them together. You want to separate them in the target areas on your skin. They also can be used alone. Like I mentioned before, I use their polishing mask by itself to get rid of some dead skin cells, smooth out my skin, and really nourish it. So now I'm just gonna hang out for 7 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse this off with warm water. All right, so I rinsed off the mask. As you can see, I wish you could feel my skin right now because it's so smooth, it feels so good, and I can just tell it's packed with all good stuff that my skin needed. So I am very excited. I was able to share with you the Artistry Signature Select facial mask because they are great. They have been my staple lately because I have 5 options, either if I want to multi-mask or use them by themselves, and they just target all the areas that I deal with, especially having combination skin. So even if you have dry skin, oily skin, or combo skin like me, there's a mask here for you. So you can find these Artistry Signature Select mask over on Amway.com, but I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description box so you guys can learn more about each mask I used today and the other ones that I talked about as well. All right, so now that my skin is taken care of, I'm gonna kick back on my couch, relax, unwind for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.